So this is the Harrow Lodge Hotel. It's a family-run hotel. They've had it for 35 years. I've been with them for 34 years. And they're like family to me. They're just lovely people. We are 20 bedrooms. We have 4 sea views. We are very family orientated and, as you gather, dog friendly. And we are a well-established hotel. Locals love coming here when the sun's out, especially. And that's it, really. I mean, what else can I tell you about the place? Staff are always caring and considerate and help try and make everyone's holiday happy. Yeah.
I saw so many dogs in that hotel. How you accommodate them? Where do they sleep? How do they have their breakfast?
So we have a policy that guests that have dogs can eat in our bar lounge area. The other guests go down into our dining room, so we never keep them together. We have a policy that the dogs can eat with their guests. We try to give guests with dogs larger rooms so that they can bring their own facilities, beds. They bring their covers for the beds as well. So we do charge for a dog. It's a minimum stay. It's £20 whether it's for 2 nights to a week. That's just to cover our cost on laundry, because we do have to change the valance and the girls do have to give the room with our Hoover dog an exceptionally good clean. So that's what we charge. We're not charging like our PCA or anything like that. We just charge a minimum stay. And the dogs can come into the bar in the evening. I do say it is very much a dog-friendly hotel, so the guests that do know we're dog-friendly still come that don't have animals, so that's good as well.
Come on, girls. You love it here? Are you happy here with your dogs?
Yes, it's lovely, very friendly.
It looks like dogs love it. It's definitely love it.
They like coming for their breakfast in the morning. They get fed treats all day.
And your breakfast is served here?
Yeah. Oh wait, I've had mine. I've just come back for some toast. Come for that toast and their sausages.
For them?
Yes.
Yeah.
They're very spoiled.
Yeah. Are you happy, doggy? Have you been here before in that hotel?
No.
It's really strange. They have beautiful dogs here. I've been seeing so many dogs.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.